if pregnant women are watching this episode is definitely for you. My name is Rekha Sudarsan. I'm a childbirth educator associated with Rainbow Children's Hospital. Pregnancy is such a beautiful experience. I don't know why off late there are so many unhappy pregnant women. I'll tell you why I'm coming to this. The reason is we dread to ask pregnant women this question, how are you nowadays? Because the minute we ask them, how are you, the probably handful of people turn around and say, oh, I'm enjoying my pregnancy. What a silly question to ask. But the majority lot is like, they're probably waiting for me to ask them this question, how are you? Because the minute I ask them, how are you, they're like a headache, back pain, knee pain, can't sit on the floor, can't climb up the stairs. It is only discomfort, illness, disease. So eventually we get this feeling, am I talking to a pregnant woman or am I talking to somebody who's very sick and who's very ill? But is pregnancy a disease? Not at all. But what does every pregnant woman on the other hand want? Oh, she wants a happy baby, healthy baby, normal delivery, easy labor. Pregnant women have started doing research and homework on things that are going to happen after 40 weeks. But what am I going to do these 40 weeks to ensure that I have a happy pregnancy, I have a happy baby? Somewhere they're missing out on. And that's really, really disheartening. Every pregnant woman who watches this should understand that pregnancy is not a disease. It's one of the most beautiful experiences a woman can go through, or rather a fortunate woman can go through. Not all women become pregnant. A fortunate woman can go through. So I tell this to all my pregnant women. Pregnancy is the only time you come to the hospital for wellness and not for illness. It's a wellness phase. It's a beautiful phase. And remember, it's a known fact across the globe. Happy, healthy mothers give birth to happy, healthy babies. What do we mean by this? In psychology, it's a big branch by itself. They call it limbic imprint. What do they mean by limbic imprint? What the mother thinks has an impact on the baby's system. That's why we applaud the previous generation, where even now your mother, mother-in-law, grandmother will tell you, listen to good music, talk to good people. We still haven't figured out what they mean by good people, but the definition of good people, read good things. Do they tell you go watch a violent movie? Do they tell you read whatever they want? No. In certain communities in our south, they don't even let pregnant women inside a kitchen where masala is being cooked. Because why? They feel the masala will have an impact on the baby. It has no impact. But that's the way we insulate our pregnant women. But what do? Go search and search for trouble. I'm a mother of two, 15 and 13. We all enjoyed our pregnancy. So I demarcate women who delivered before 2000, women who delivered after 2000. You will find that the women who delivered before 2000 were very happy and enjoyed their pregnancy. Why? Because they kept their pregnancy very simple. Further down, I don't break my head over thinking, why were we happy? Why are people not happy now when they're pregnant? I realized that we didn't have the computer, we didn't have the internet, we didn't search. We kept it very, very simple. I'm not asking you not to read. I'm only saying don't inundate yourself with unnecessary information. How many pregnant women search on benefits during pregnancy? Many pregnant women, 9 on 10 pregnant women, their search on the internet is, or search with the books, or search with any media is, troubleshooting during pregnancy, frequently asked questions during pregnancy is again on trouble. Challenges, even the language a pregnant woman uses. My query on pregnancy, concern on pregnancy, worry on pregnancy, challenges that I'll face during pregnancy. That's not what pregnancy is all about. How many pregnant women look at the positive aspect towards pregnancy? The more and more we tune our mind towards it, the more and more information on the positive side that we get. And remember, mind is like a magnet. And unfortunately, during pregnancy, it attracts all the negative things possible. So as far as possible, if we can keep it positive, see, there are enough stimulations that will irritate us, that will give us negative impact. But if I can insulate myself against all this, then pregnancy becomes a positive womb experience. What do I mean by this? This is the only environment the baby knows. Might as well make it positive. Than doing repair work after the baby is born. The construction part itself, if it can be right, then you'll know we're giving a healthy baby outside. So I tell all my pregnant women only one message. Pregnancy is not a status. It's a huge responsibility. A huge responsibility? What kind of a responsibility? You're responsible for the next generation. Anytime your child falls sick after he's born, your pediatrician, anybody will only ask you, how did you eat during pregnancy? How was your nutrition during pregnancy? Did you sleep well during pregnancy? Was there any violence during pregnancy? Just to tell you, what the mother goes through during pregnancy has an impact on the child's life for the rest of his life. So having said this, pregnancy is not rocket science. You're not inventing rocket science. Million women have delivered before you. Million women have delivered after you. Keep it simple and enjoy your pregnancy. And you live in a land like India, where everybody pampers you, where everybody takes care of you. There's so much social support. I think it is a crime if you're going to crib and complain about pregnancy. So enjoy your pregnancy. The most beautiful phase in a woman's life is pregnancy. Tell me, when do you feel two heartbeats at the same time? Only during pregnancy. So just enjoy and have a beautiful pregnancy. Thank you.